Hi, I am the artist Deprise. This is the Faces of Freedom. It is a giant jigsaw puzzle I created to celebrate the diversity of the American people. We started over here in California and went all the way back to the East Coast, where we started with the original 13 colonies in red, white, and blue. All of the states fit together, and when it's free hanging, they're carabiners that separate and give the independence or the illusion of independence that we have. It is to remind us that we are all connected with the butterfly effect. So remember that we are stronger in unity. We really are. Now the backside, to open a civil discourse, is the American flag with the Constitution in Scrabble form, and it looks like this. Yes, some people say I'm cray-cray, but I thought it was cool. Anyways, you can come see this for yourself at Studios on the Park inside my gallery, number 10.